Today is my 4th day in Manila and now I'm leaving to Tagaytay. So before leaving I have checked my tires for the air because I'm going on the long distance, so I make sure the motorbike is fine, put some gasoline in. I had a really hard time with the waste. Motorbike is ready. Today I got my cell phone holder on the motorbike, which I was missing. That's gonna help me a lot. And here is my suitcase, which I have tucked between that area. And I have another box which I can put my backpack in. And there is another thing to store things. So I'm going to Tagaytay. It might take me 4 hours, 3 hours, I don't know, but I'll let you know how was my experience. I just arrived in Tagaytay and I had rented this suite room. It costed me about 1,100 pesos, and the good thing about all the traffic I was facing, now it's a good time. So you can see behind me it's an amazing view, and I'm gonna go around tomorrow and explore this place, or maybe tonight as well. This is Tagaytay. It's about, on motorbike it's about 4 hours ride. It's 60 kilometers, but it can take you 4 hours. And I think this is a peaceful place, so I'm gonna explore more